Hi, I'm Bob Britton with Infusion Elite here again with today's tip about defining what stage of business are you in. You have to ask yourself the question. If you're a brand new beginning business and you're still in your infancy, where do you focus? Well, I'm going to tell you. In that part of your business, you need to focus on one thing and one thing only, and that's sales. Sell, 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 sell. You have to be about 98% focused on getting sales in every way that you can. That means from new clients, but selling your existing clients even more products and services, maybe even developing more products and services to sell. But when your business is in the infancy, spending any of your time and energy on anything but just the sales process is crazy, because you're going to need cash flow and you're going to need revenue because you don't have a customer base to draw from yet. So make sure that if you're in that stage, that's where you go. The next stage of business is going to be stage 2, or the growing phase. So you've got an established customer base, your business is starting to grow. But at this point, what you want to do is spend a little bit of time. Now, you're still going to be focused on sales primarily, but you're going to spend more time on determining your optimum sales strategy. And what does that mean? Well, it means that you're going to look at what works best, which one of your sales strategies is bringing you the best ROI. You've got to measure your ROI on all of your things. So that means tracking your lead sources, knowing where your money is coming from, where are new clients coming from, what's it costing you to get a client and to convert them to a buying customer, or get a prospect, and convert them to a buying customer. So once you make sure you track that ROI, you'll start to determine your optimum sales strategy, and you can put more energy and effort into what works best and get you the best results. You're also going to want to innovate to save money and time in the stage 2 of your business. And that may mean implementing a CRM system, some kind of automation system, email follow-up. You want to use your brain in that part to try to, again, fine-tune the process, automate the process, and then really see those sales continue to grow, and make sure you're focusing on your optimum sales strategy. I like to say one of my favorite terms is fire, 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 aim, which means you're taking action, you're taking action, you're taking action, you're taking action, and then you're going to make sure your direction is good. Double check the direction, and then go, 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 go. Don't ever let go of that energy and that push to move forward. The stage 3 of your business is when you're already growing. You're probably in the $10 to $50 million range, and that we're going to talk about on a separate video. Thanks for watching for today's tip, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm Bob Britton, Infusion Elite.